There you go.
Okay, so now I
Tiny
can
bit.
come on with the back. Just want to get a little drag. You don't want to have to get in there and have to back this thing off, so
How's that feeling?
it's got a little bit of drag, but it's still, I don't think it's, I think I'll just a whisker more with it.
Yeah, it's a bit more.
This brake tool I have is not. All right. Okay. I got some drag on it now. I'm good with that.
Okay.
Okay, we got our plug that we can throw in the back, very back. All right, we found it. We're gonna slide it back in place. Pop that in there.
There you go.
All right, so we got the same procedure. We got the brake drag on it now, and
And do both sides, and it'd be the same procedure on the other side.
yep.
Thanks for watching, guys.